Hello everyone, NMB Box Breaks doing a box break on a 2013-14 Titanium Hockey. Show you the time and date. It is Sunday, 10/15, January 3rd. Here are all 30 spots sold. Thanks, guys. Alright, here we go. I'm going to randomize this list 3 times. I know everyone here has done my breaks before, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So you got TJK at 1, TJK at 30, randomized 3 times. And there you go, TJK at 1, TJK at 30. Alright, so now we're going to do the teams. Anaheim down to Winnipeg. And same thing, randomize this list 3 times. There's 1, 2, and there's 3. So you got Buffalo Sabres at 1, down to number 30, Calgary, randomized 3 times. Copy and paste. And there you go, you got Buffalo down to Calgary. Go ahead and show everyone their teams nice and slow. Alright. Okay, so here we go. So this box has 5 packs, 4 cards per. And we'll go ahead and open up. 1 autograph memorabilia card in every pack. And hopefully we get maybe a rookie card that's numbered to the jersey. There are not many of them. There you go. There's your 5 packs. Oh, that's the number I put on the listing there. There you go. Alright, here we go. First pack. This one feels a little thick here, so maybe we'll get an autograph with a memorabilia card on it. See what we get. Alright, there's your base card. Looking real quick, I think there's parallels on these base cards, or yeah, there are. They're numbered. They're red or gold with a serial number. So we'll make sure we keep a lookout on that. But there's your base card there. Base card. All right, we got game worn gear. Nice, Erik Karlsson, Ottawa Senators. So nice, good player. Oh, nice low number. There is 11 out of 20, or I'm sorry, 3 out of 25. Trying to get that to show up a little bit better. All right, so there's a card. Nice, cool, nice looking patch. Trying to get that number to come in a little better for you guys. Well, it's 3 out of 25. There it is. That's better. 3 out of 25. Nice looking card. Erik Karlsson, good player. Ottawa Senators, 3 out of 25. Nice hit there. Nice hit for the first pack. Base card, base card. All right, here's another one. Game one gear, another great. Here's a Paul Coffey, Pittsburgh Penguins. Awesome card. No serial number on this one, but great player. Paul Coffey, Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice hit there. Alright, here's the back of a Calgary Flames. Maxwell Reinhart. It's a weird... Oh, this is a cool looking card here. So you see it's a die cut dual jersey autograph. 37 out of 50. This is a cool looking card. I've not seen this one before. But nice looking card. Maxwell Reinhart. Nice looking card. That's a cool looking card there. Here's a Max Talbot, Colorado Avalanche. Nice autograph. Max Talbot, Colorado Avalanche. See if I didn't see a serial number on that side. Nope. No serial number on that side as well. But nice looking autograph card there. Alright, last but not least, feels thin, so maybe we'll get another autograph here. Oh, maybe not. It looks like something thick there. Alright, this is cool. New Jersey Devils. Looks like we got 4 players. Ah, cool. Nice. New Jersey Devils. 4 jersey card. You got Martin Brodeur, Travis Zajac, Adam Larson, and Stefan Matteau. Awesome card here. 18 out of 100. Cool looking card. You got obviously Brodeur on there. Great card there. So cool looking card. Awesome. No rookie card in this one. I was reading there is only 1 per case. I'm just going to go through real quick. I didn't see anything. And I know they'd be serial number, but there's only 1 rookie card per case. So very hard to get a rookie card out of here. But very valuable if you do get one. So no luck on that. But some cool hits. Thanks guys for getting in the break. I do not have any. I do still have to do the break on this one. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll try to either, if I can't do it in the morning, I'll do it tomorrow night. I'll get that one done for you guys. And then the only thing left I got right now is Crown Royal football. I'm going to be buying some more hockey tomorrow, and I'll get some new listings up tomorrow, or some between tomorrow and Wednesday we'll get some more listings up there. So I'm going to look for some new stuff. I don't think any new stuff came out that's relatively, at the right price range. There's a couple boxes, but they're really expensive. So I'll be looking at some older stuff like I got here. I mean, to me, these are great deals. The price you're getting, and you're still getting some great hits. So thanks, guys, for getting in. Keep looking for some new stuff. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.